Hey everyone! Welcome back to Faysefatima. It's that time of year again. The air is crisp, the leaves are turning golden, and there's a chill in the air. I absolutely love everything about winter, from the cozy nights in to the excuse to wear my favorite sweaters. But staying healthy during the colder months is so important, and that's what we're diving into today. You know, I'm all about those simple yet effective tips, and today is no different. Did you know that the right foods can actually warm you up from the inside out? It's like giving your body a big warm hug. I'm talking about hearty soups, warming spices, and drinks that will make you feel all cozy and content. So grab your favorite blanket, make yourself a cup of something warm and comforting, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a winter classic, soups and stews. There's nothing quite like a steaming bowl of goodness on a cold day. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Chicken is a lean protein source that's easy to digest. Load up your soups with a rainbow of colorful veggies. A vibrant, veggie-packed soup is the perfect way to nourish our bodies. Moving on to another winter staple, root vegetables. Think sweet potatoes, carrots, beets, those gems that grow beneath the earth. These root vegetables are complex carbs, releasing energy slowly. Let's start with sweet potatoes. They're naturally sweet and creamy. Roast them or blend them into a creamy soup. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A. Next up, we have carrots. They're incredibly versatile. Carrots are known for their beta-carotene content. And let's not forget about beets. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with antioxidants. Roast them, juice them, or add them to salads. The beauty of root vegetables is that they can be enjoyed in countless ways, so get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and textures. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's turn up the heat with some warming spices. Embrace the power of ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric. These spices add flavor and warmth to your dishes. Ginger aids digestion and fights inflammation. Add it to tea, soups, or stir-fries. Enjoy a ginger and lemon drink. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar and boosts brain function. Sprinkle it on oatmeal or add to smoothies. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Add it to curries, soups, or lattes for a healthy boost. Chapter 4. Vitamin C Heroes. Winter is prime time for colds and flu, but fear not. Vitamin C is here to save the day. This powerful antioxidant boosts our immune systems. Nature provides us with vitamin C-rich fruits. Oranges are a classic source of vitamin C. Enjoy them on their own, in juice, or in salads. Try guava for a more exotic option. This tropical fruit packs a serious vitamin C punch. Enjoy it fresh, in juice, or in desserts. And let's not forget about kiwis. These small fruits are bursting with vitamin C. Add them to breakfast bowls, smoothies, or enjoy as a snack. Chapter 5. Nuts and Seeds, Tiny but Mighty. Let's talk about the power of nuts and seeds. These bite-sized nutritional powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health, especially during the winter months. Almonds are a great place to start. They're rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Enjoy a handful as a snack, add them to trail mixes, or incorporate almond butter into your diet. Walnuts, with their distinct, slightly earthy flavor, are another excellent choice. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to baked goods, or enjoy them as a snack. And don't underestimate the power of sunflower seeds. These little seeds are packed with vitamin E, selenium, and zinc, which all play a role in supporting our immune systems. Add them to salads, trail mixes, or enjoy them on their own. Chapter 6. The Wonders of Fermented Foods. Now, let's talk about gut health, something that's crucial for our overall well-being, especially during the winter months. Did you know that a healthy gut is closely linked to a strong immune system? That's where fermented foods come in. Fermented foods are like superheroes for our gut. They're packed with probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in our digestive system. Yogurt is a classic example of a fermented food that's both delicious and good for you. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own toppings like fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Another fermented favorite is pickles. These tangy treats are not only a great source of probiotics, but also low in calories. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to sandwiches, or chop them up and add them to salads. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your gut health, which in turn strengthens your immune system and helps keep those winter colds at bay. Chapter 7. Golden Milk, a warming elixir. Golden milk, a comforting drink enjoyed for centuries in Ayurvedic traditions. Made with milk, turmeric, and a touch of sweetness, it's both warming and soothing. Turmeric, the star ingredient, is a powerhouse of health benefits. Curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chapter 8. Herbal Infusions. Sip your way to warmth. When the temperature drops, there's nothing like a warm cup of herbal tea to soothe the soul. Herbal teas are caffeine-free, perfect for relaxing any time of day. Chamomile tea is calming and promotes sleep. It has a sweet floral flavor. Peppermint tea is refreshing and aids digestion. It can relieve headaches and soothe an upset stomach. Ginger tea is a must-have when feeling under the weather. It has anti-inflammatory properties and boosts your immune system. Grate fresh ginger into hot water, steep, and enjoy. Enhance flavor with lemon, honey, or cinnamon. Experiment to find your perfect blend. Chapter 9. Hydration is key, even in winter. It's easy to forget about staying hydrated during the colder months when we're not sweating as much, but don't let that fool you. Proper hydration is just as important in winter as it is in summer. While a tall glass of ice-cold water might not sound as appealing when it's chilly outside, there are plenty of other ways to up your fluid intake. Warm water with lemon is a great option, as it's not only hydrating but also provides a dose of vitamin C. If you're looking for something with a bit more flavor, herbal teas are an excellent choice. Choose caffeine-free varieties like chamomile, peppermint, or ginger tea. You can also opt for soups and broths, which contribute to your overall fluid intake while providing essential nutrients. And don't forget about fruits and vegetables. Many fruits and vegetables have a high water content, such as watermelon, cucumber, spinach, and celery. Incorporate these into your diet to boost your hydration levels. Chapter 10. Sugar, the sweet saboteur. Sugar can wreak havoc on our immune systems, especially during winter. It's essential to be mindful of our sugar intake. Too much sugar strains our immune systems. This makes us more vulnerable to infections. Refined sugars offer no nutritional value and contribute to inflammation. This weakens our immune systems further. Focus on naturally sweet and nourishing foods. Fruits provide natural sugars, vitamins, and fiber. Healthy alternatives include dates, honey, and maple syrup. And there you have it. Simple yet effective tips to help you embrace the coziness of winter while staying healthy and feeling your best. From heartwarming soups and stews to immune-boosting spices and the comforting warmth of golden milk, there are so many delicious ways to nourish your body from the inside out. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll not only feel great, but also be well-equipped to enjoy all the joys that winter has to offer. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which of these tips you'll be trying out. And if you have any of your own winter wellness secrets, I'd love to hear them. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!